Hello and welcome back to the world of motorcycle maintenance, here at Bikes in Detail, where we turn your two-wheeled beasts into shining knights of the road. Today, we're talking about the secret weapon in your cleaning arsenal, the steam cleaner. We know what you're thinking, steam cleaning, really? That's just for your kitchen floor. Well, hold on to your handlebars, folks, because steam cleaning is the superhero of cleaning, and it's ready to save the day for your motorcycle. First of all, let's address the elephant in the room. Pressure washers are great and all, but they can be a hassle. Hauling them out, getting the right pressure, and avoiding the dreaded water spots. Well, the steam cleaner eliminates all of those problems in one fell swoop. You see, when you use a steam cleaner, you're actually creating distilled water, so you don't have to worry about water spots or towel drying ever again. But wait, there's more. Steam cleaning is also an eco-friendly solution. No need to waste gallons of water with a pressure washer. Steam cleaners use a fraction of the water, making it perfect for cleaning indoors too. Now, we know you're thinking, is steam cleaning safe for my motorcycle? The answer is a resounding yes. As long as you follow the manufacturer's instructions and never point the steamer at anyone, steam cleaning is safe and gentle enough to remove dust, bugs, and bird droppings without damaging your paint job. Yet, it's powerful enough to tackle stubborn marks from grease, oil leaks, and chain oil. Plus, your tires will thank you for a steam cleaning too. So, what are some real-world examples of steam cleaning in action? Let's say you've just finished a long ride and your motorcycle is covered in dirt and grime. Instead of hauling out the pressure washer and buckets of water, you can grab a steamer and a handful of microfiber cloths and give your motorcycle a quick, yet powerful, clean. Or, maybe you're getting ready for a motorcycle show, and your motorcycle needs a little extra love to make it stand out from the crowd. With a steam cleaner, you can take your motorcycle from just clean to immaculate in no time. And, let's not forget about the cost and ease of use. Steam cleaners are not only more effective but also more affordable to purchase and easier to manage compared to pressure washers. Say goodbye to those bulky, heavy machines and hello to a compact and lightweight steamer. And, if you're feeling adventurous and want to take your steam cleaning to the next level, try using O.N.R diluted at 256:1 in your steamer. This little secret ingredient will give your motorcycle that extra bit of oomph and shine. Trust us, your motorcycle will thank you. So, there you have it, folks. From the eco-friendly benefits, to the ease of use, and the affordability, steam cleaning is the clear winner for cleaning your motorcycle. Don't settle for just clean, go for steamy, spot-free, and shiny. If you're interested in buying a new steam cleaning to try this out for yourself, we have linked a few machines below for all budgets. We are not sponsored, but we have tried these machines and wouldn't recommend them to our viewers if they didn't meet our high standards. Thanks for joining us today, folks. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more motorcycle maintenance tips and tricks. Until next time, keep it steamy.